Grilling to perfection doesn't have to be a gamble anymore. With the best infrared thermometer for grilling, you can instantly measure surface temperatures, prevent burnt or undercooked meals, and take full control of your BBQ for consistently delicious results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. EnnoLogic ET650D Infrared Thermometer. The EnnoLogic ET650D Infrared Thermometer is designed for users who want dependable temperature readings across a wide range of everyday and professional tasks. Built with long-term durability in mind, this temperature gun delivers consistent accuracy without draining batteries quickly or losing performance over time. It works exceptionally well for cooking, barbecue preparation, HVAC inspection, automotive diagnostics, and home maintenance projects. The adjustable emissivity setting is one of its strongest features, allowing users to measure different surfaces such as pizza stones, grills, metal, wood stoves, or insulation areas with improved precision. For cooking enthusiasts, it removes guesswork by helping achieve ideal temperatures for pizza ovens, frying oil, or baking surfaces. Homeowners will also appreciate how easily it identifies heat loss around windows and doors, or checks heating and cooling system performance. The laser targeting system provides fast readings while keeping users safely away from hot surfaces. Scan mode and high-temperature alarm features make monitoring temperature changes simple and efficient. Although not intended for medical use, it excels as a reliable tool for kitchens, workshops, garages, and DIY environments. Overall, the EnnoLogic ET650D offers professional-level performance combined with user-friendly operation, making it a smart investment for anyone who values accuracy, versatility, and long-lasting reliability. Number 2. Klein IR1 Infrared Thermometer. The Klein IR1 Infrared Thermometer is a compact and dependable temperature measurement tool built for both professionals and everyday users. Featuring a 10-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio, this device allows accurate readings from a safe distance without needing direct contact with hot or hazardous surfaces. Its measurement range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit makes it suitable for HVAC work, electrical troubleshooting, cooking checks, and general maintenance tasks. The fixed emissivity setting of 0.95 ensures consistent readings across common materials, eliminating the need for complex adjustments and making it especially beginner-friendly. Laser targeting helps pinpoint measurement areas quickly, while the backlit display keeps readings visible even in dim environments. Klein designed this thermometer with job site durability in mind, offering drop protection up to 6.6 feet, which adds confidence during daily use in demanding conditions. The automatic power-off function helps extend battery life, making it practical for technicians who rely on tools throughout the workday. While it is not intended for medical applications, it performs exceptionally well for industrial inspections, appliance diagnostics, and household temperature checks. The Klein IR1 stands out as a straightforward, rugged, and accurate infrared thermometer, ideal for users who want reliable performance without complicated features.
Number 3. Ooni Digital Infrared Thermometer. The Ooni Digital Infrared Thermometer is purpose-built for cooking enthusiasts who want precision when working with pizza ovens and high-heat cooking surfaces. Calibrated specifically for cordierite baking stones used in Ooni ovens, this thermometer delivers highly accurate surface temperature readings that help achieve perfect pizza results every time. Adjustable emissivity settings allow users to measure steel, cast iron, or other cooking materials with equal confidence, expanding its usefulness beyond pizza making. One of the standout features is its high-resolution, full-color digital display that provides readings in under 300 milliseconds, making temperature checks fast and efficient during busy cooking sessions. Temperature scan mode enables users to track minimum, maximum, and average surface temperatures, ensuring even heat distribution before placing food into the oven. The intuitive interface includes both numerical and color-coded displays, making operation simple whether you are an experienced cook or a beginner. Laser-guided spot measurement ensures accurate targeting, while wider scan options help evaluate larger cooking areas. The bright backlit screen remains easy to read in outdoor sunlight or evening cooking conditions. Although not designed for medical use, the Ooni Digital Infrared Thermometer is an excellent companion for pizza lovers, grill masters, and anyone serious about precision cooking. Number 4. Klein IR10 Infrared Thermometer. The Klein IR10 infrared thermometer is a feature-rich temperature gun built for demanding professional applications. With an impressive 20-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio, it allows accurate measurements from farther distances, improving safety when working around hot equipment or electrical systems. Its wide temperature range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit supports a broad variety of tasks, including HVAC diagnostics, industrial maintenance, automotive testing, and cooking equipment inspection. One of its biggest advantages is the inclusion of a K-type probe, which enables both infrared surface measurement and direct contact temperature testing for air, liquids, or gas systems. Adjustable emissivity settings between 0.1 and 1.0 enhance measurement accuracy across different materials, such as metal, plastic, or painted surfaces. Dual laser targeting improves aiming precision, while advanced functions like auto scan, maximum and minimum tracking, differential readings, and high-low alarms provide deeper analysis during troubleshooting. The backlit display ensures visibility in low light conditions, and the automatic shutoff helps conserve battery life. Designed as a non-medical device, the IR10 focuses entirely on professional and technical environments. Overall, this thermometer combines versatility, precision, and advanced diagnostics, making it an excellent choice for technicians who require detailed temperature monitoring in complex working conditions.
Number 5. MESTEK Infrared Thermometer. The MESTEK Infrared Thermometer is a powerful high-temperature measurement tool designed for industrial users and advanced DIY enthusiasts. Offering both non-contact infrared measurement and K-probe contact testing, it delivers exceptional flexibility for handling different heat monitoring situations. Its extremely wide temperature range, reaching up to 2,912 degrees Fahrenheit, makes it suitable for demanding environments such as furnaces, metal casting, welding operations, kilns, automotive diagnostics, and heavy mechanical work. The impressive 50-to-1 distance-to-spot ratio allows accurate readings from a safe distance, which is particularly valuable when dealing with extreme heat sources. Dual laser targeting helps identify hotspots instantly, while fast response times capture measurements in just half a second. Adjustable emissivity settings ensure reliable readings across multiple materials, improving accuracy in professional applications. The multi-function design includes min, max, AVG, and differential measurement modes, along with customizable high and low temperature alarms for quick problem detection. A large color backlit display improves visibility in dark or industrial environments, making operation convenient at any time. Although not intended for human temperature measurement, this thermometer excels in industrial inspections and predictive maintenance. The MESTEK Infrared Thermometer stands out as a robust, high-performance solution for serious temperature testing needs.